Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today is a very special day. We're going to have our results ceremony and prize distribution. I wanted to take this moment to remind everyone of some of our house rules. Please be quiet at all times, and when I say salawat, please recite aloud salawat. Salawat. We want to start the results ceremony by calling a biha for Quran recitation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatul qadr. وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر من ألف الشهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر صلوات.
Now we'd like to call upon Adam, John, Mustafa, and Basil to recite Dua Imam Zamana together.
تسكنوا وذكى